We're getting a lot of questions from you over what we have and have not been able to report with the East High School shooting, particularly regarding the suspect.
Now, because he was under the age of 18, Colorado and federal law kept a lot of his information private. Rob Harris breaks down the laws and how they'll apply to future situations.
We're going to break down the questions we've been getting into three main categories: what police were able to tell us, what schools were able to tell us, and what we'll be able to learn going forward. We're getting help with those questions from Jeff Roberts. He's with the Colorado Freedom of Information Coalition.
There's always tension between, what the public is entitled to know versus privacy rights.
Wednesday morning following the shooting at East High School, police told us a description of the suspect, but they did not tell us his name initially.
We do know who the individual is. We do know where they live.
But just a few hours later, they tweeted out his name, a picture, and even the style of SUV he might be driving. And even in our newsroom, we were trying to figure out what had changed in those few hours.
It seemed to me that what happened, the police took an unusual step of putting his name out there when they didn't know where he was and they needed the public's help in trying to find him. They were in a situation where they were desperately looking for this person to protect public safety.
And out of school districts, they're bound by the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act. It's often called FERPA for short.
It shields educational records of public school students from being examined by people who aren't them or their parents.
There is an exception though. Schools can release what they call directory information. So that includes things like students' names and their dates of attendance. So we were able to learn that the suspect was formerly a student at Overland High School, and he had been removed after violating board policy, but we were not able to learn what he had done. So now to our last main question. Is FERPA going to block us from learning more about this going forward? Different legal minds have different thoughts on this, but Roberts says more records may become public now that the suspect is no longer alive.
There's a question about whether a 17-year-old, as in this case, if their parents still retain those FERPA rights. So there's a bit of a gray area there. There are different opinions on it, but we have had situations in the past, like after Columbine, where several educational records were released to the public. When something, gets to the point where, there's an immediate threat, that changes things, I think.
For Denver 7, I'm Rob Harris.